If humans evolved to survive, why are so many failing financially? Not because they are careless, not because they lack intelligence, not because they were never taught, but because the human brain was never designed for modern money. For nearly all of human history, survival depended on immediacy. Food had to be found today. Shelter had to be secured now. Danger required instant reaction. Long-term planning was a luxury few could afford. So the brain evolved accordingly. It became highly sensitive to reward and deeply uncomfortable with delay. When something useful appeared, you took it. When pleasure arrived, you accepted it. When safety was threatened, you acted. This wiring kept humans alive for hundreds of thousands of years. But evolution never prepared the brain for abstraction. It never prepared it for numbers on a screen, for digital balances, for retirement accounts, for consequences delayed by decades. Money is invisible to the brain. It cannot be tasted. It cannot be touched. It cannot be felt emotionally until it is gone. What the brain responds to is sensation, and sensation lives in the present moment. Every purchase releases dopamine, not happiness, anticipation. A brief spike of excitement that promises relief. The same chemical involved in gambling, social media, notifications, and novelty. The brain does not evaluate whether a decision is wise. It evaluates whether it feels good now. That is why scrolling feels endless, why buying feels comforting, and why saving feels painful. Spending produces sensation. Saving produces silence. And silence is interpreted by the brain as loss. When you delay gratification, your nervous system does not feel discipline. It feels threat. It feels like something is being withheld, even when logic says otherwise. This is not a failure of willpower. It is biology colliding with modern systems. Today's economy is built around this vulnerability. One-click purchasing removes friction. Buy now, pay later removes pain. Subscriptions remove awareness. Nothing requires conscious decision anymore. Everything is designed to be effortless. Effortless for the consumer, profitable for the system. Modern finance does not depend on recklessness. It depends on repetition. Small payments, monthly charges, gradual erosion. The system does not need you to overspend once. It only needs you to overspend slightly, consistently. That is why income alone does not create wealth. Many high earners live under constant pressure. Meanwhile, others with average salaries quietly accumulate stability. The difference is rarely knowledge. It is emotional regulation. Money rewards behavior more than intelligence. It rewards restraint, delay, consistency. Traits the human brain actively resists. Because the mind evolved to seek stimulation, not stillness. It craves movement, feedback, action. Wealth grows without drama. Slow deposits, unremarkable decisions. Months with nothing to show. To the brain, this feels pointless, so it searches for excitement instead. Upgrades, lifestyle increases, signals of progress. But status consumes resources faster than comfort ever could. True wealth is almost invisible. It does not announce itself. It does not provide dopamine. It does not feel impressive in the moment, which is why so few people pursue it consistently. Most people do not fail financially because they lack opportunity. They fail because their biology is outdated. The human brain has not caught up with the world it inhabits. It still believes danger is immediate. Reward must be seized. Delay is unsafe. But modern money punishes urgency and rewards awareness. Once this becomes clear, something changes. Guilt fades. Self-judgment disappears. You stop seeing financial struggle as moral failure and start seeing it as a design mismatch. Awareness creates distance between impulse and action. And in that distance, control becomes possible. Not through motivation, not through hustle, not through intensity, but through understanding. Because when you see the pattern, you are no longer trapped inside it. Wealth is not built by intelligence. It is not built by effort alone. It is built by awareness. And awareness changes everything.